Chapter 3 Types of Software Part 2. Just we shall recollect what we have learnt in the last video. We had learnt about a system can run when both hardware and software coordinate each other. Basically, software is classified into two: system software and application software. System software means those softwares which help the user in operating the computer. Without this, a computer cannot interact with the user. In system software, basically the operating system is very important. It helps a computer to interact with the user. Just having operating system is not enough to work on computer. Computer is a marvelous machine. Other facilities like listen music, watch movies, play games, such other things also can be done on the system. For these, application software is required on the computer. The operating system helps us to work on all those things which I have just talked about now. Its main function is to check the basic software and the hardware is in a right condition. The internal parts are in a good condition. So such types checking work does the operating system. The main function is to help the CPU to processing the commands. Finally, the very best function that a user loves is that whenever a new part is being attached to the computer, automatically operating systems detect the machine and it makes ready to work on the computer. Finally, any problem is detected in the system, it informs us through notification. Now let us start understanding about application software. Application software in computer is designed to help the user perform a particular task or to solve a particular problem, while operating system allows the computer to work. Application software or ready-made software. Just we use it for completing our work easily. For example, number 1, word processing software. Word processing software. This software enables us to use, create, edit, and also to type and also to format in our letter, or it may be the poem, or it may be any type of typing work. It helps us to work on it easily and also it helps us to check the spelling and the grammar. Now we are seeing that it is we are working on Microsoft Word and the poem is being typed. Now here we can see that we can select few of the center words which are highlighted and makes that particular word can be highlighted. It helps us to format. This is what we call it as format according to that. And then any spelling mistakes or any grammar mistakes we can check easily, and we can also make it beautiful or more brighter and bigger size. All such type of things what we are doing is called as editing, and also it is also called as beautifying or format. For example, such type of things are MS Word, WordPad, Notepad and other WordStar also we get. Database software is a collection of data. It allows user to save the data and details in an organized and systematically and also allows the user to retrieve the details easily and effectively. It saves the details or list very unique. So for example, we can see here the database to understand better railway reservations list. Here the software allows you to fill your name, address and sometimes the unique number may be the Aadhaar card or voter ID card. It makes it to fill up and also it shows us how many are seats left over and how many are filled up, and all such type of things automatically easily we can do it and fill our data and get the ticket. So the database allows such type of automatic savings, and also it will not retrieve the other person to see the your details unless you put a unique number in that. It will not open the details what you have saved. So example is Oracle, MS Access, Fox Pro.